In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your ClickUp API key. We'll walk through exactly where to find it, how to generate it, and what to do once it's created, so you can start connecting ClickUp to other tools or your own custom integrations. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account and open any list view in your workspace. It doesn't matter which list you choose. We're just using this as a starting point so you're inside the app interface and can easily access your profile settings. Once you're in the list view, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This is where ClickUp stores most of your personal and workspace related settings. After clicking your icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can configure things like your profile, notifications, and in this case, your API access. Inside the settings page, look for an option called ClickUp API. It's usually listed in the sidebar or among your security and integrations options. Click on ClickUp API. This is the dedicated page where you can manage your API keys. On the ClickUp API page, you'll see a button that says Generate. Click this button to start creating a new API key for your account. This key is what external apps will use to communicate securely with ClickUp on your behalf. Next, you'll be prompted to continue as your Google account or email that's connected to ClickUp. Click on the option that shows your account to confirm it's you. This step ensures that only an authorized user can create or manage an API key. You may be taken through a short login or confirmation process. Simply follow the on-screen prompts such as confirming your account or granting the necessary permissions. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once you've completed that process, ClickUp will generate your personal API key. You should now see it displayed on the screen. Treat this key like a password. Keep it private and never share it publicly. Finally, you'll see options to either copy the key or regenerate it. Click Copy to use the key in your integrations or development environment. If at any point you think your key has been exposed, you can come back to this page and choose to regenerate it, which will create a new key and invalidate the old one. And that's it. You've successfully generated and accessed your